Sucker.
What the hell did you do that for?
I don't know. Thought it'd be funny.
Well, it wasn't.
I'm laughing.
You're interrupting me in my garden.
What garden?
Whatever, it's nature.
Are you trying to tell me you're one with nature?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Alright, well, what do you suggest?
Maybe you should just turn around. That's nature.
Okay. What, you think you could live out there?
I could make it a day at least. Easy.
3 days.
Easy.
Alright, shake on it. It's on.
So what are the rules here? First one to quit loses?
I guess. Look at that, you can't even last 2 seconds. We're not even in the woods.
Is that all you're bringing?
Yeah.
Rachel, you need tools to open the pickle jar. How are you going to last out there with nothing?
Because I got these guns. Wait for me! I'm about to show you my skills right now. Look, watch this. Poison oak. Yep, poison oak.
Alright, A, that's not poison oak. B, if that was poison oak, that'd be the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. And C, these flies are ridiculous. God, no one, does anyone ever tell you about the flies when you come out here? No one, like, there should be a guidebook that says flies are gonna attack you.
Oh, I have an idea.
Hold that thought. I really gotta use the bathroom, so.
What are you doing?
Well, we're in the woods. This is God's bathroom.
Okay. No, this place is kind of peaceful. Don't take too long. Jackson? Hey, where'd you go? Jackson! Schnikes. Jackson? 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 Poison oak. Spiderweb.
Oh God! No!
What are you doing?
Practicing my dramatic run and fall, duh.
Come on. Why is your shirt gone?
'Cause I'm using it to swat flies.
Whatever. Put your shirt back on, white boy.
Fine.
It's not rocket science.
It is.
Smooth.
Every time.
What do you think it could be?
Civilization.
You're right. Maybe we should head back.
Is that you quitting?
No?
Fine, we'll go back that way towards, where we started. Whatever. But we're not quitting yet.
Okay. Sweet, we made it back.
Yeah, and neither of us quit.
How long were we gone anyway?
I'd say 10, maybe 12 minutes.
You're not even wearing a watch.
Alright, so I'm guessing.
Alright, conquering Mother Nature.
Wait, I don't think that counts for conquering Mother Nature.
Well, we made it back in time for Grey's Anatomy.
Alright, Grey's Anatomy!